guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me for a wedding. I am heading out to a relative's wedding right now and I thought why not do a quick get ready with me. Since it is the shadi season, I think it will be really helpful for you guys as well. So let's sit down and do a makeup for a wedding. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box below. So since it's the shadi season and I will be attending quite a few weddings, my skin needed some love and care, and for that I really needed to get a facial done. And in between shoots I absolutely get no time to get out and go to a salon and get a facial done. I just wanted something at the comfort of my home, so I decided to call someone from Urban Company and she came with her entire kit. I got a wine facial done and she did such an amazing job. She literally came with every single thing for the facial, and also they take full care of your safety and their safety as well. They properly sanitize their hands, they wear gloves, they're wearing their masks all the time. The entire process was so relaxing, calming and just so amazing. My skin felt so soft and so smooth and just so clean after the process. They bring their entire kit and they can give you the service in the smallest of small space. The beauticians are expert with more than 5 years of experience, and also all the products are only for single use, so they're not using any used products on you or on anyone else. I know that now this is gonna be like a monthly ritual for me. I'm definitely gonna get a facial done every single month because it just detoxifies your skin, clears any blackheads or whiteheads that you have on your skin, and just makes it look very fresh for any event. I'm so glad that Urban Company gives you this service at the comfort of your home. It is so much more convenient, it saves so much of your time, and I cannot even believe that I used to go to a salon and get a facial done. You guys can also be shadi ready with Urban Company. India's biggest Salo festival, Salo Spree, is back. You guys should definitely check out all the amazing discounts and deals. You guys can book a service with Urban Company using the link in the description box below. Guys, I'm back with my bare face and now let's get started with the makeup. I'm running a little late, so I'm just gonna do a quick little makeup look. So first I'm gonna prime my skin with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer, and this is how it looks like. This is a really good dewy primer. It's not hydrating by any means, but it adds such a beautiful glow to your base makeup. Also, excuse me if I sound a little bit nasal. I got a little bit of cold last night because I had too much nariyal pani at night, which is not something that you want to do, especially if you have tonsils. And I did that and I literally just fell sick. Now I'm feeling a little bit fine. Do you guys see the kind of glow that that primer added? Now for foundation, I'm using the Light Illusion foundation by Flower Beauty. It's in the shade Tawny, and I just like a light layer of foundation, not too much, something which is very glowy. Also, since it's like an evening function, I'm wearing this really beautiful custom made jumpsuit. I got this custom made 2 years back, I guess, and it is just very beautiful. This Flower Beauty foundation is literally like second skin. It doesn't feel heavy. It lasts really long. It sits so beautifully on my face. Now for concealer, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer Corrector, and this is how it looks like. It's a new concealer and this is the first time that I'm trying it today. Okay, the shade match is not that bad. This applicator it feels very different though. I like my concealers to be a little more dark and yellow, but let's see if this works. The concealer blended beautifully, but my under eyes still look a little bit grey. I think it's a shade lighter. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. Do you guys see how dark this one is? This is like my perfect shade. Now to set the concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. This one is in the shade Medium. This is like my holy grail setting powder. I cannot do without this. I generally really love using cream products for my face as well, but since I'm running a little bit late, I think I'm just gonna use all of my powder products today. For bronzing, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter, and I'm using the darker side as bronzer. It's not actually a bronzer, but I love using this as a really nice sun-kissed glowy bronzer. Then for blush and highlight, I'm using my Sugar palette. This is the Sugar Face palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and I'm using this beautiful blush shade. I don't know how to describe this color, but it is very pretty. And using the same highlight from this palette. This is a very blinding highlighter. Now for that very glowy wet kind of a look, I'm using my e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick. I keep raving about this product. It is literally my favorite and it looks so beautiful, especially if you're going for a wedding or an event, and if there are lots of lights coming on your face, then this is something that will make you look, it'll make your skin look very juicy and glowy. So I'm using my same blush brush and I'm just sweeping this across my cheeks and temples. It doesn't add too much color, but it adds lots of shine. Now for my brows, I'm using my usual Lakme Absolute 3D Brow Definer, and I'm just filling all the gaps in. Now to set my eyebrows, I'm using the Fay Beauty brush in the shade Dark Brown. Now for my eyes, I'm using my Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And for my transition, I'm just using this shade Raw Sienna. And I'm using my fluffy crease brush and just placing it in my crease. It's been a while since I've used this eyeshadow palette. I think it's the best for the wedding season. And also my eyeshadow palette is probably expired because I got this years back. Now it's finally available in India, so you should definitely get your hands on this palette if you are looking to splurge into a very high-end good quality eyeshadow palette. Then using the shade Red Ochre, and I'm just placing this on the outer corners of my eyes. Do you guys see the pigmentation on this palette? It blends so beautifully also. It is just very buttery, so blendable, perfect for a beginner, I would say. Earlier I used to think it's not that great for a beginner since the eyeshadow palette is so pigmented, but now I think this formula is literally the best formula that I've tried in eyeshadows till date, without any doubt. Just packing the color on the outer corners of my eyes and then blending it inwards. Then I'm going to use the shade Tempera, which is this very satiny bone color. It's not shimmer, it's not completely matte, it's that satin finish. And I'm applying this all over my eyelid as a base shadow. And then using the shade Tempera in my inner corners and my brow bone. And then for my entire eyelid, I'm going to be using this Colourpop eyeshadow in the shade Birthday Cake. This is their Super Shock shadow and I absolutely love this for weddings. I think this adds that perfect amount of shine. And before mascara, I'm just going to curl my lashes first. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara. This is one of their new launches and it's the perfect waterproof mascara that I need. By the time I let that mascara dry, I'm just gonna pin my Mang Tika. Let me know how many of you love wearing Mang Tikas. I think they're my favorite. I wish I could wear these with every single Indian outfit, but sometimes it's just too much. So I'm just gonna pin this up. Lastly, for lipstick, I'm going to be mixing two lipsticks. I'm using the MAC Satin lipstick in the shade Retro, which is literally my favorite lipstick in the whole world. And I'm mixing a little bit of Nykaa So Creme lipstick in the shade Nailed It. Both of these lipsticks are not at all long wearing, but I still love using these shades. And I don't mind reapplying my lipstick throughout the day. I think now my lipstick perfectly matches with my outfit as well. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm absolutely in love with it. I love the hairdo as well. I think it's the perfect kind of hairdo that you can do on days when your hair is super oily. That's what happened with me as well. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me for a wedding. I hope you guys found the video helpful. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!